Students, do you want to develop one high income skill? What is a high income skill? I think you may be knowing. We'll see one by one which are the high income skills, what are the challenges to learn high income skills, and what are the principles also where you can learn and implement in your life for your growth, career success. Why it is required, the first point is we'll also see why it is required. Before that, I am welcoming you to my channel at the rate Pratap Harichandan, in the bracket the Sixth Sense PH, where we are building super achievers. We are integrating Sixth Sense. I am a Sixth Sense explorer, artificial intelligence, learning, health, and spirituality, so that you develop holistically and live a purposeful, joyful, and rich life. You may not be knowing what is purposeful, joyful, might be knowing what is purposeful life. That also in one of the videos I have explained. But if you want to know more, please ping me. I can make a video on what is the purpose in your life. And rich life, rich is not only wealth, it is everything. Everything. It is not only money and wealth. Rich life means that is also to know deep. You can watch many of the videos are available. So today's topic is mastering one of the high income skills for your career success. Why Because high income skill, it is not an option today. It is a necessity for your career success. And if you want to know more about this, please stay with me. We'll discuss slowly, step-by-step process, how to choose a high income skill and how to master it. Because to master, you have to overcome the challenges. So first we'll see what are the challenges, and the principle and the process. Right? So let us dive into the first one. Question is, why do we need high income skills? If I tell you that in our times, we're just having a qualification, like suppose me and many friends of mine, they did BTech. The major branches were mechanical was the major branch. Everybody was choosing at that time mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science. These are the main civil. These are main branches at that time, and we're getting jobs. But nowadays, besides this qualification, if you don't have a skills like making presentation skills, very fantastic presentations, and know the formulas in the Excel sheet and make some output, some results, show the results with using Power BI, then digital marketing, sales and persuasion, content creation, video editing. These are the skills nowadays it is prevailing. If you don't know, then you will be left behind in the organizations and you may be thrown out, laid off, go. At that time, what you will do? Then you will start learning. I didn't learn any skills, so I want to learn the skills. That's why now it is necessary. If you are in class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, or you are doing a graduation, those who are in early career, please start mastering one of the skills and show up in your organizations so that you stay in the organizations and grow in your life. So this is the reason why you need a high income skills. Some of the skills just I told you. Now let us see what are the challenges being faced in developing a high income skills. First one, normal, lack of time. Students, if you say, no, I am studying my courses, I'm not able to cover the courses, how can I give time for any skill to learn? Simple learning. You can learn simple skill. I want to tell you, just Excel, learn the Excel or presentation, how to make presentation, PowerPoint, using different AI tools that is available. Learn those things. Just invest 30 minutes every day and you see the change, the learning capacity you build up, the happiness you get. So parents, I am telling you also, please help your child to choose a skill and learn besides the courses of study. This will definitely going to help them. Second one is lack of resources. Nowadays, you cannot say lack of resources. Many of you may be saying, I have no proper laptop or something like mobile phones, proper mobile phone. No, any mobile. You take any Android mobile. From mobile only you can learn Android mobile and internet access data. That's it you need. Freely available courses in YouTube, podcasts, some of the like Google and Microsoft, they are providing you free courses. Learn it. You cannot say lack of resources. This is not actually a challenge. Third one is, this is the biggest one as per me. No clarity and directions. Suppose you want to become a data scientist. Nowadays it is very hype. Artificial intelligence, you want to do a course. So what are the related course you should do? What are the skills that you should learn? You can get it easily. Which skills are required for you? How? If you do not know, ask me, I can help you out. Or just ask your AI, ChatGPT. He will tell, give a prompt. Which skills I should develop and from where? You can get it. Have clarity first. Parents also, here also, help your child to choose the skills that they want to develop. The fourth one is fear and self-doubt. This is also one of the biggest challenges. Fear. If I fail, kya hoga? What will happen? And self-doubt. I am not so intelligent to learn these skills. You don't know what capacity you have, what ability you have. Every children, every student, every person, every individual, they have the potential. Only thing that they have to find out that potential. If you are not able to find out yourself, parents also, you can help them, or you can go for a mentorship program. They will help you definitely show the way to grow in your life, find your skills, find your capabilities, find your strength, weaknesses, how to overcome the weaknesses. Definitely they will help you to find out this. And you know, in these things, all the things, another challenge is procrastination. No, not now I should learn. I have no time. Let me learn to next year or next year. Those things never comes. Procrastination is one of the regular. Everybody is having this attitude. Procrastination, it is an attitude. And patience. When you are learning any new skill, it requires patience and time. It is not that overnight you will become a success, you will learn everything and become a master. No. Consistency is is the point which will make you master. Consistency. Every day you have to invest 30 minutes means 30 minutes. So these are the challenges. What are the challenges? First, lack of time, lack of resources, then lack of clarity and direction, then self-doubt, fear, procrastination, patience. These are the main challenges you are facing. So now let us see what are the 5 principles where you can overcome these challenges. So these are the 5 game-changing principles. First one is choose one skill and focus on that skill only. How to choose that skill? I just told you. Go to ChatGPT or DeepSeek, ask, give a prompt. That will help you. Which of the skills are prevailing right now, which will help you within the next 5 years. This will definitely tell you. Or if you have any problem, if you don't know which skill I should choose, then contact me. I can help you out. And the skills are general skills, just I talked to you, like video editing, content creation, then cyber security, digital marketing, copywriting, graphic designing, and making powerful presentations, using Power BI tools. These are some things, some skills that you can learn. But there are a lot of skills, emotional skills, creative skills. Lot of skills are there. So you have to choose one. Second one is, and this is actually whatever skills that you choose, that is the top level one. Then you can break down it. And what should you do? Once you break down, you can choose which online course you have to take. Process. Go to the step-by-step process, online courses, and join a community, like-minded community. Ask questions so that it will be very, very helpful for you. Gradually, you will develop the hindrances, the challenges you will develop to overcome those things. This will be a great help for you. Build your profile in LinkedIn, where it is a professional media, professional social media. There you can find like-minded people. Comment in their contents, ask for questions, ask questions. You will definitely get answers. Right? Once you did learn the skill, like suppose, let us take an example of graphic designing. You took around 6 months or 7 months, 8 months, you learned something. You now have the confidence, show off your skill. Implement some of the examples, show in the social media that you have learned this and you are now a little bit early level expert. People will definitely contact you, those who are in need. This is the third point. And the fourth point, once by presenting yourself in social media or presenting yourself in the friend circle, like-minded people, family, gradually you become, don't leave, gradually become more confident, expertise will come, gradually you will become an expert. And people will contact you for their work and you start earning. By the time 1 year, I think you must be at least middle level if you are not an expert. The more work you do, the more creative and innovative you put in your skill. And you become, expertise will automatically come. Don't feel proud that I am become expert. No, learning is always there. You will be learning stage. Inside the feeling will be there, but you will be learning. And again, I am telling you, consistency is the key. Don't live in between. If you are not getting, you don't see that there is a success. I am not getting successful. I am not able to do this. Please be on the path. Consistency will definitely overcome those inner world challenges. See myself. If I see the first video of myself and now how I am making presentations in the videos, making videos, lot difference. It is almost 1.5 years back I made my first video, and now the first video, lot difference. You can watch my first video and now see what is the change. So I am learning this every day. I'm learning. I have not become expert. So these are the high income skills. Again, I'm telling you what are the high income skills, like video editing, graphic designing, copywriting, and digital marketing, AI, machine learning. Coding is also a skill. Public speaking. Then it is wellness and yoga. If you want to become a trainer, that is also a skill. Spirituality also a skill. And sales persuasion is also a skill. These are some of the skills. A lot of skills are there. Find out one. First step is find out one. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends also. And punch the bell icon so that you get my first video information. Because within every week I am producing 3 videos. There is a request. So let us build a team of super achievers and show off to the world that there is a team called super achievers. Building super achievers. Thank you for your time and patience. All the love, all the power.